Hey everyone, this is Ed Tapper again from Mr. C's Auto Mart. We have a new arrival here. It's a 2014 Honda CRV EXL all-wheel drive. So it's the EX with leather. It's got the 2.4 liter inline 4-cylinder engine. It's got 5-speed automatic transmission, and it is all-wheel drive. And as we fan around the car here on the driver's side, see the condition is excellent. It's got 10 sports factory aluminum wheels, body-colored outside mirrors, exterior mirrors, and door handles. Again, on the driver's side, and we see it's an EXL all-wheel drive. In the back compartment here, once we get it open, is the back compartment's going to have a cargo compartment cover, which is an add-on, so that can screen off your cargo area. So you can screen off the contents that are in your back compartment. The seats do fold down, and the headrests vary, as you can see, for better visibility. Going back around the passenger side, car's real clean. It's been fully inspected. It's fully serviced, needs no work. It's got 117,000 miles. And if we go around here to the inside of the car, back to the inside, and we go to the back seat, it's got a black leather interior. Center armrest in the rear seat. See the seats fold down for cargo space, very simply. The headrests vary, as you can see, for better visibility. And we have a power driver's seat. On the inside here, mileage is 117,502. We have steering wheel controls for cruise and the radio. We have the Econ button and the dashboard mounted digital radio screen with an AM/FM CD, automatic climate control, heated seats. This is your storage compartment, your aux, USB port, etc. We invite you to come by and take a look at the car. It's just newly available now. It's $16,877. So a CRV, boy, that's a great car. You know the quality of the Toyotas and Hondas. It's the best-selling SUV in the market, along with the RAV4. So we'd invite you to come by and take a look. Again, this is Ed Tapper from Mr. C's Auto Mart. Thanks.